Jensen Huang's Japan deals put NVIDIA at the center of the AI factory boom. August 24, 2026. NVIDIA is making a major push into Japan as it seeks to expand AI demand beyond the giant cloud providers that fueled the first phase of the boom. During CEO Jensen Huang's July visit, the company announced a national AI infrastructure project and deeper partnerships with Japanese manufacturers, robotics companies, and technology groups. At the center is Notra, a Japanese AI company backed by 44 investors, including Sony, SoftBank, Nissan, and Honda. Under the government-backed FRONTIA program, Notra is developing a Japanese multimodal foundation model capable of processing language, images, video, audio, and physical space. NVIDIA plans to build a Vera Rubin AI factory for Notra equipped with 27,500 Rubin GPUs and 13,750 Vera CPUs, providing 140 megawatts of computing capacity. Construction is scheduled to begin in April 2027, with operations expected in June 2028. The project reflects Japan's ambition to bring AI onto the factory floor. Its strategy emphasizes physical AI systems that can understand and act in the real world, including robots, autonomous machines, digital twins, and industrial systems. Japan's revised AI robotics strategy targets roughly 10 million AI-enabled robots by 2040, across sectors ranging from manufacturing to healthcare. NVIDIA is positioning itself as more than a chip supplier. Huang also met executives from Fujitsu, Kawasaki Heavy Industries, Fanuc, and Yaskawa. These companies are using or exploring NVIDIA technologies for robotics, factory automation, and physical AI. Other major Japanese companies, including Hitachi, Kubota, Nissan, and Sony, are also working with NVIDIA's physical AI platforms. This strategy could generate demand across NVIDIA's entire technology stack, including GPUs, CPUs, networking, software, and platforms such as Cosmos, Isaac, Metropolis, and Jetson. The Notra facility alone would represent a substantial deployment. The Japanese government is providing more than $380 billion in funding in its first year, while IDC estimates the broader FRONTIA commitment at $1 trillion through 2030. However, government funding should not be confused with NVIDIA revenue, and NVIDIA has not disclosed the value of its Notra contract. The expansion matters because NVIDIA is becoming increasingly dependent on a broader range of AI customers. In its latest reported quarter, revenue reached a record $81.6 billion, with data center revenue at $75.2 billion, up 92% year-over-year. NVIDIA now separates hyperscale customers from its AC category, which includes AI clouds, industrial, and enterprise customers. In the first quarter of fiscal 2027, hyperscale revenue was about $38 billion, while AC revenue reached roughly $37 billion and rose 31% from the previous quarter. Japan fits squarely into this second category. National AI infrastructure, industrial computing, and factory automation could help NVIDIA diversify demand beyond a relatively small group of hyperscale cloud companies. The company says its infrastructure is already deployed in nearly 40 countries, while sovereign AI revenue grew more than 80% year-over-year in its latest quarter. Japan therefore offers NVIDIA more than one large project. If Japanese manufacturers successfully deploy its technology in robotics, inspection, logistics, and factory control, those applications could become models for industrial customers around the world. Still, the opportunity remains unproven. Noetra's AI factory will not begin operations until June 2028, leaving construction, equipment delivery, testing, and deployment ahead. Japan cannot determine NVIDIA's growth trajectory by itself. But the country provides a significant test of NVIDIA's broader strategy, turning the AI boom from a story dominated by hyperscale data centers into one increasingly driven by factories, robots, and sovereign AI infrastructure. By Computer User, story by Marty Spargo.